be showing you some tools for creating killer headlines. Headlines are so important in today's crowded content world. They're the door that must be opened for people to actually read your article, but you've got to make your headlines enticing so that they will open the door. To help you out, I want to give you a killer headline writing hack. To write killer headlines, the key is to focus on the benefit, not just the facts. So for example, I have a course right now on Udemy that's called 10 Free Blogging Tools That Will Make You a Better Blogger. I had a decision to make to write the headline for that course. I knew how important it was to speak to an audience so that they would click and want to enroll in that course. I could have just made the headline blogging tools. That would have been correct, it would have been true, but it wouldn't have been enticing. To make your headlines enticing, to make your headlines intriguing, to make people want to click through and open the door to your content, you have to think in terms of the benefit. And so that's what I had to do with this course headline. Instead of just saying blogging tools, I did 10 free blogging tools that will make you a better blogger. I focused on the benefit. I said these are 10 free tools that will make you a better blogger. The benefit is that it's free, that's one thing, but then the bigger benefit is that it will make you a better blogger. It's a promise. And that's what you do as you create your content. You have to create headlines and think in terms of what benefit, what kind of value is this going to give my reader? Is this going to give my student? Is this going to give my followers? You have to think in terms of how is this going to benefit my audience?